Bago na.
Ito yung nakalaro niyo nakaraan eh. Ito, yung nakaputi. Ha? Alin? Hindi. Wait lang. Hindi, magja-jumbo lang si ano. Magja-jumbo lang si Mark.
Super pa rin yun eh.
Ay, sir! After na po kayo para magkakampi kayo ni, ano, ni Reynold. Ayan. Upo muna po yung magkakampi, Team Coast Guard. Upo muna po, sir. Patrick, Lil, yan. Yan po yung lima niya. Okay, game ha. Running time po tayo ha. Okay, 2-0. Hindi po kailangan maghintay yung opensa para tumuyensa. Okay, pagkalinawan. Okay, same ball. Okay, JM. No good. Rebound by Alejos. Alejos. No good. Okay, mabilis yata ang laban na to. Nice pass! Sayang, lakas lang. Okay, Alejos, pinasa kay JM. Second try. It's good. Babantayan niyo po yun. Baka maumay kayo sa tres. Okay, 2 points by Karinga. Score 4-3. Okay, dribble. Nice. Sayang. Magpapaasawa kayo ngayon. Okay. Tumira. No good. Nakuha ni. Okay, JM. JM to pagkalinawan. Pagkalinawan. Sayang. Ang lalim na. Okay. To Alejos. Alejos, easy 2. Score 4-5. Nice, sayang. Pag yun, kumagat, patay kayo. No good. Okay. Nice pass. No good, may bossing. Rebound by pagkalinawan. Pagkalinawan to Alejos. Alejos, wala. Good yan ha. Meron po tayong foul counted. Pero walang late ball. Okay. Nice, hawing sayang. Okay, Alejos. Alejos, 2 points, score 4-7. Remind ko lang sa mga solo joiners, may dalawang timeout per game. Okay, dribbling. Okay, teardrop, no good. Mukhang mauumay si Alejos na ito. 2 points. Score 4-9. First shot is good by Sir Lil. Score 6-9. Time remaining 3 minutes 45 seconds. 18 na maglalaro kayo, kaya pagod kayo. Nice pass. No good. Nakakuha ni Christopher. Christopher pagkalinawan. Naninibago lang. Nice. Unselfish pass. Score 8-9. Isa na lang po hinahabol ng Team Coast Guard. Nice pass. Maalam po ay si Christopher. Christopher, another no good. Okay, nagmamadali. Lista mo number, no good. Okay, good ha. Alejos. Alejos, nice drop. Coaching, easy 2. Score 8-11. Nice shot. 10-11. Okay, last touch by Christopher. Time remaining 2 minutes 18 seconds. Nice! Ang lalalim lang pero ang ganda ng pasang yun. Uy, bunti ka na. Rebound by Conchi. Last 2 minutes. Bad pass. Third drop. No go. Sakto to. Okay. Christopher 2 points. Score 10-13. Okay. Tumira. Libre. Oy, sayang. Okay, fall down. Tawag na lang po agad, ha? Time remaining 1 minute 26 seconds. 14 to shoot. Okay. 2 points. Score 12-13. Okay, Coaching, nice steal. Okay, lista mo. Oy! Naninibago si Bossing. Score 14-13. Lamang na po ang team Coast Guard ng isa. Alejos. Hindi nakakita yung drop sa gitna na yun. Okay, no good. Nakakuha ng pagkalinawan. 2 points by JM. Score 14-15. Lumipad. No good. Okay, no good again. Nakakuha ni. Okay. Libre. Oy! Sayang. Last 1 minute. First half. Karina, 2 points by Karina. Score 16-15. Isa lang po ang inahabol. Alejos. Libre, 2 points. Score 16-17. 16-19. Okay, 2 points. 18-19. Last 23 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Uy, sayang. Last 9 seconds. Last 9 seconds. First half. Okay, tumira. Kapos. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay, counted. Score 20-19 in favor of Team Coast Guard.
Ayan, team niya na, New Star.
Coast Guard.
Coast Guard pala yan eh.
Coast Guard.
Laki ng katawan eh.
Score 19-20. Okay, back to the ball game. Paalala ko lang, sa last 1 minute po ngayon ng second quarter, lahat ng foul may free throw.
Score.
20-19.
11 eh.
Ayan. 19-20, isa lang po ang inahabol ng team regulars. Okay. Back to the ball game. Okay, pinasa kay Alejos. JM, no good. Nakuha ni. Magkakampi. No good. Okay, nice shot. Lamang na po ng tatlo ha. 19-22. Pagkalinawan. Dribbling the ball. Matigas ang binabangga. Okay, Christopher, no good. Nagmamadali. No good. Okay. No good by Karingal, rebound by Alejos. Alejos nagmamadali. Nice drop. Christopher, no good. Medyo matumal. Okay. No good. Okay, foul na daw. Palakas na lang po ng foul ha, para naririnig. Okay. Malakas po. Oy, 3 points. Score 19-25. Anim na po ang kalamangan ng Team Coast Guard. Okay, Christopher. Pinasa kay Pagkalinawan. 2 points by Pagkalinawan. Score 21-25. Okay, nice drop. No good. Okay. Nice. 2 points by Kochi. Score 23-25. Three points! Nakakadalawang tres na po ang Team Coast Guard. Sayang. Nice deep by Cochin. Lil, no good. Nakuha. Okay. Nice. Oy, sayang. Ang lapad ni JM. Alejos, nice block. Okay, Christopher. Ang ganda, pero maalam po talaga. Score 25-28. Tatlo pa po ang kalamang.
Gcash yung babot? Payment? Gcash? 130? Ano mo nandito?
Ano, CRTV dyan?
Ha?
CRTV dyan.
CR?
TV dyan.
Nakasilista ka ba?
Chat na ako kay Kuya Ray.
Ah, okay.
Ito sa.
Ito.
Alejos, no good.
Ito na ako.
Time remaining, last 3 minutes.
May schedule naman talaga ako.
Lalaban ko.
Ngayon lang may Tuesday kasi bukas ano eh. Disperas kasi yung kaya wala ako.
Okay, dribbling the ball. Nice, no good. Time remaining 2 minutes 42 seconds. Okay. Nice. Sir Lil, 2 points. Score 25-30. Okay, JM, no good. Nakuha ni Karingal. Nakuha ni Pagkalinawan. Na-steal. Unselfish pass. 2 points by Karingal. Score 25-32. Last 2 minutes. Alejos. Mababalik na pa ba? Okay. Christopher, no good. Okay, lista mo na. 25-34. Nice bomb. Nice shot by Coaching. Score 27-34. Pito pa po yan, ha? Pito ang hinahabol ng team regulars. Okay, first, no good. Okay, nagmamadali si Alejos. Alejos, no good. Nakuha ni Pagkalinawan to JM. JM, no good. Okay. Nice bet. Last 54 seconds. 29-34. Last 47 seconds. Okay. 5 po ang inahabol ng team regulars. Lahat po ng foul may free throw na. Kaya iwas po tayo. 31-34. Tatlo lang po, ha. Last 35 seconds. No need to foul. Just D. Last 30 seconds. JM. No good. Last 20 seconds. Tatlo lang po yan, ha. Tatlo lang. Tatlo lang. Tatlo lang po yung hinahabol. Last 12 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Okay, foul. 2 free throws. 2 free throw. 9.7. Ta-time out ba kayo? Ta-time out kayo? Mel? Okay, good, ha? 36-31. Time out, team regulars. Lamang kayo ng 5, boss. Time out lang, mag-time out. May pag-asa pa, eh. 9.7. Quick 3. May free throw naman tayo, eh. Okay, back to the bogey. Ayun na, oh. Okay, oy! Mel! Ayun na, oh. Ano, po-forfeit na kayo? Ah, talo na? Okay, sige. O, tuloy. Wait lang. Pre! Edwin, pasok ka nga lang para matapos lang. Ano? Oh, pasok ka muna, Edwin. 9.7 na, 9.7. Hindi, pasok ka para buo lang silang 5. Okay, 9.7 seconds, ha? JM. 3 seconds.